Well, we made it to practice. I picked up a hitchhiker on the way. What are you looking for?
Them things for that.
I was wondering.
I'm taking the old one. I really don't want to take the old one because that's my car next.
Is that your phone on the mat down there?
Dang.
Yeah, about 5 or 6 times.
Making a shock change to the left rear and going right back out. We're trying to get the pin in the canister. Max says flip it, side it, feature tire.
It's like, all
Should
right,
have put more cuts in this.
still turn? Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Would have been much better.
Yeah.
His whole front end was off. There was a picture of them tested, and Nick's front end slammed. Troutman's behind him, and his front end slammed, and Huddy's like literally in the mix of all of them, and the front end's this high off the ground, left front's fucking off the
It's
ground.
almost like Ricky Thornton, like aerodynamics just don't fucking matter.
Right.
Right.
Chef did.
I don't know. I walked inside and I saw them writing a check to Huddy, and that's it. Yeah. I was just...
Going in the box after a successful test night. We got to see the highlights of it. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Come on out Saturday night. Check us out. Weather's going to be, I think, in the low 60s, so it'll be a good last weekend if you're in the St. Louis area. Come and support Josh. Track was phenomenal tonight. So catch you all later.
Okay, lock it in. All right. Hey, dumb shit, you gotta lock it down there. Turn the gate off.
Yeah. I don't know how expensive hydraulic pumps are, but I don't think they're cheap.
Turn the gate off, Jesus. First time. But